In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Ads Conversion ID. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look and what to copy so you can plug your conversion ID into tools like Google Tag Manager, website builders, or any tracking setup that needs it. First, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google Ads account and that you have permission to view tags. If you're working in a shared account, you may need standard or admin access. Also, if your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the options. Start by clicking Tools on the left bar. From there, select Data Manager. This is the area where Google centralizes site-wide tagging and data connections, so it's the right place to manage your tag configuration without digging through scattered settings. Once you're in Data Manager, look for your Google tag and click Manage. This opens the tag's details. If you have more than one tag, pick the one associated with the website you're working on. Choosing the correct tag is important to avoid copying an ID from a different property. Next, go to the Admin tab. The Admin section is where you'll find settings and advanced options tied to the tag, including access controls and configuration references. It's designed to keep the most important identifiers easy to reach. Here, click on Manage Google Tag. This takes you into the central management view for that specific tag. In this view, Google highlights the identifiers you need for installations and integrations. You'll now be able to see your Google Ads conversion ID. It typically appears in a format similar to AWW, followed by a series of numbers. That entire value is your conversion ID. Copy it exactly as shown, including any prefix, and paste it into the field requested by your platform or tag configuration. Be careful not to confuse it with a conversion label, which is different and is used for individual conversion actions. If you don't see the Data Manager option or the Manage button, double-check your user role or try expanding your window so all menu items are visible. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but the path remains the same. Tools, Data Manager, manage your Google tag, admin, then manage Google tag. If you still can't access it, ask your account administrator to verify your permissions. That's all you need. You've located your Google Ads conversion ID and know exactly where to find it again whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step while you do it.